Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. From Tafara to the airwaves, Samantha Mary Musa, better known as Miss Red, has become one of Zimbabwe's most recognizable media personalities, using her voice to shape radio, TV and digital conversations for over a decade. Born on 8 May 1989 in Harare, Samantha Musa grew up in Tafara before moving to Highlands with her family. She attended Ellingberry Primary, Bindura Primary, Lewison Primary, Heritage High School and Spaces College. She also lived in Mozambique and South Africa, where she first discovered her passion for radio. Her stage name came from a bold red lipstick she used to wear. When she stopped, a friend told her she was being misread, meaning misunderstood, and the name stuck. Miss Red began her radio journey in 2012. In October 2013, she joined ZFM as a co-host of the Ignition Breakfast Show after Tinopona Katsande's departure. Her role expanded to include production, research and high-profile interviews, helping the Ignition become one of Zimbabwe's top-rated breakfast shows. She later became anchor of ZFM's flagship drive time show, The Rush, cementing her status as a household name. In 2017, she moved into television as co-host of Cock on the Beat on ZTV with T.J. Maruziva. She also covered major events like the MTV Africa Music Awards and the Lake of Stars Festival, interviewing global stars including Trey Songz, Tiwa Savage, P-Square and French Montana. As a sought-after MC, she hosted events from the OK Grand Challenge, VIP Mug to Stuart Bank MasterCard launches. Brands she worked with include Coca-Cola, Net1, Old Mutual, Black Opal and Zimoco. Miss Red is also a philanthropist. She co-founded the Beyond October Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign and supported Cyclone Idai's victims. In 2019, Facebook featured her in Lead Hers, Life Lessons from African Women, celebrating African women breaking boundaries. On Twitter, she launched Red Market Sundays, inviting small business owners to promote their products on her platform every Sunday. In 2021, she launched a web series, The Tea Talk with Miss Red, streaming on YouTube and Facebook, focusing on trends, current affairs and Zimbabwean stories. Miss Red is a mother of 2 daughters. She's been intentional about aligning her brand with the social impact, women's empowerment and community development. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.